Oh my god. This flight is really so boring and stupid.
Ah, Skye. Don't cry because of this rude and selfish little troublemaker. There. Skye. It's okay, Mommy is here, and so are your aunties Maddie and Caden. Want Mommy to sing you a lullaby?
I will get your ass! Listen, asshole! You stupid bitch! You stupid jerk! You're a piece of shit! I'm a baby! I'm a special baby! I'm a very special baby! I'm a very big special baby! I will poop my pants and you will change me! I hate it to be grounded! I'm special to be grounded! Him, you jerks, get back here! No! I'm sorry! Go and fuck yourself! I started in my diaper! Smell it out! You're the baby! You're an asshole! You're horrible! I want Barney diapers! And I hate you! Take me to McDonald's and give me a Happy Meal! Him, you can't do that! I'm special! Change me! Then how about Barney diapers? No, I will not! I will cry and jump on the couch! Poop you! Ga. What a lot on!
Champ. Tom. How dare you two shout at my baby daughter Skye? That's it. Once we land at Dubai International Airport, I will call your families over. But wait, your mom is there, Champ. As for you, Tom. Your family will be furious with you.
Champ. Come back and sit back down in your seat, right now.
Go back to your seat now.
Why hello, girls. Why are you three angry?
Well, Eric and Kaylee. Your man-child brother was yelling at my baby daughter Skye on the airplane. Want to know why? Because he and Champ wanted to have peace and quiet on the flight. I told them that Skye is afraid of airplanes, and I told them to mind their businesses. But no. Instead, they shouted at me, my two friends and my baby daughter on the flight. Goodbye, you man-child of a son. Go away. While me, my friends and my baby daughter stay here at the airport to catch our next flight to Dubai. You're the main reason why we landed here at Viand International Airport.
Ma'am, I would like to apologize for my brother's behavior. Thank you for telling me this. Come on, Tom. Let's go home right now.
It's okay, Skye. That man-child is now gone, and he'll never be doing this to you again.
Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Caden. Skye, are you happy now that overweight man-child and Champ are gone?
I think she said yes.